vicious attitudes. You ask who we are, nah, who are you? We ain't got no guilt, won't hesitate. So back off or we'll put you in your place. Haven't you heard?
Good evening, everyone. With Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro later on, I'm Mike Emery. Glad you've joined us for an exciting evening ahead. Tonight, we bring you two teams that are bound to be entertaining. Teams are just about ready. Eddie, what do you think?
I've been looking forward to this one for a while, Doc. Both of these teams have the ability to put the puck in the back of the net. Goaltending, as we know, could be the difference here.
Terrific action lies ahead. You are here at the right moment with Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro, Mike Emmerich, and play is just underway. Good defensive play. Possession changes. Great take, dangerous area. Takes that pass off the boards. Using the point. Hammered! Not there!
You talk about a heavy, hard shot. Unfortunately, it just missed.
Trying to get something generated up the wing. Backhander to the net. The Red Hawks up the wing lug the puck. Gains the zone. Flings it. That puck's still alive, but a great glove save. The Red Hawks lug that puck along the boards. This one goes diagonally into the zone. Hoping to make a play along the boards. That one fired down. The defense will win the race, and icing is called. A little under 6 minutes have elapsed here in the first. No goals to report yet. Beat him on that one. Lets it go. Oh, a save. Lin Choping's in control of the puck along the side. And possession once again by Larson. Snapped it off. Cruises to the slot. Oh, what a block. Freezes play.
Gustafson's almost overpowered by this slap shot. There is a lot of heat on it. Excellent stop.
Lin Choping's got it again. Knocked right off the stick. Not a free puck now. The Red Hawks with possession up the wing. Thrown in. That one goes back in where a goaltender can make this play, not a defenseman or forward. Gets in, looks over his options here. Gathered in by Roy. And he's hammered.
This is not going to be a game for quiet players. You're going to need to be physical. That early hit sets the tone here for both teams.
Pulls his way along. Holds at the point. Sends it down low. Save! Anderson's got it in the defensive zone, headed to center. Gets in. What'll he do? Shot on. Not on the net.
Missing the net that badly, there's going to be a teaching point coming from the coach when he gets back to the bench.
Cleared back down the ice, and yes, it's icing, and the face-off will come back.
Routine stop for the goaltender. The shooter's going to have to do a much better job challenging him.
Nice face-off work. Lin Choping's carrying it in their own end. Shoots. The net was knocked off, and so play is stopped. Solid win at center ice. Now what? Huge hit. Possession's gone.
Thought he had 10 feet of clean ice. He only had 5. There's the stop sign.
That shot came from right in front.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area. You got to find a way to put it in the net.
Good face-off win. Knocked it away with the stick. Looking from the corner. A point-blank save. And they've got it again. Good, strong, outstanding offense met by solid goaltending. Didn't get through. Looking to headman up the wing. Nice job to get it from the boards to center. Near the last minute of the first. Gives it over to the point.
In the first period.
Pass. Outstanding save. What magic even to get there and get the shot off.
You don't get many better opportunities than that. Great save.
Got a piece of that one. First period over. The goalies earned their pay. They stopped everything, and we are scoreless.
Stay warm and stylish at the rink with our specially priced item tonight. Our game team scarf, priced at just $10. Hurry into our main store as supplies.
Gustafson's enormous save has kept his team in it. We have ended the period, and he gets a rest. And so do we as we head to break. There have been no goals since the warm-up. Nothing here in the second. Gains the zone. Hung right over him and couldn't get it past.
With this puck being so close to net, this is all a reactionary save.
Quick work on the faceoff. Parked at the crease. Nearly grazed the iron on that.
That's going to happen. There's not a lot of room there. He just missed the shot.
And a save. Taken to the slot. This is overwhelming. Got in front of another one. Lin Choping's in possession as they travel in their own end. And he gains the zone. Shoots it on. Robbery there. Defensive zone win. Good work with the stick. Lin Choping's lugging it along in their own end. Skate kick out of the scrum. Moving it now along the side. It's an onside play. Gives it to the point. Nice play with the stick. Nothing more will come. Around through the corner. Those big pillows on his legs came in handy then. They battle on up the wing. On the outside, a shot. He covers and holds on.
I don't know if he's going to make a save much easier than that one. He's in good position. It's a rather routine stop.
Good face-off win. Hatchets one. Lin Pings looking to headman up the wing. Lets it go. A wonderful scoring chance denied. Oh, what a job done there to keep the pressure on. Good keep. Picks it up back there. The Red Hawks lug that along up the wing. Gains the blue line. Right near the line. Long lead pass. Right at the net, and he got his pad on it. Lin Pings leaving the defensive zone. One-timer. Oh, tremendous save. Denied a terrific chance. Marched narrowly inside. Puts one on.
Alvarez up on 2 wheels. He's hurt, but he can't get off the ice right now.
Gets it back. Puck free. Roadblock by Roy. The Red Hawks are looking to make a play out of their own zone. He cut him down on that rush. Moves it to the shadow of the boards. He's got it. Referee over to the penalty box, and let's find out. Lin Pings given a minor here for tripping.
Oh, this is clearly a tripping call. He made no attempt to play the puck and took the legs out from the attacking player.
There's always a start to your power play night, and this is number 1. They win it. Cranks a shot. Oh, that one hit someone on the way.
14 minutes, 39 seconds.
So on this power play, they will resume from their own end of the ice. Fires. What a terrific save. Lin Pings carrying on up the wing. Fires a shot. Terrific opportunity, but it's off the mark.
Pretty tough to score on a grade A chance if you don't hit the net. That's being too fine with the puck. He's got to hit the net from there.
Moved along and in. Great stick there. The Red Hawks leave their own zone. Lin Pings done it. Back at full strength.
Coming into the night, it appeared that these two teams were going to be very closely matched, and it's been that way. However, special teams will play a focal point here in the latter parts of this game. You just cannot take...
He scores! We've got a score in the game other than 0-0 now.
Oh, Edzo, sometimes you just get so lucky. He's not shooting the puck there. The goaltender's fooled as the puck doesn't come with any velocity at all.
Let's check in at ice level with Ray.
Word from the home team's locker room is they're going to be short a player for the rest of the night. The injury occurred a while ago. He will not return.
Scored by number 9, Tony Mortensen. Assisted by number 20.
He gets that pass ahead in stride. Hammers one. Outstanding save off a chance.
17 minutes, 56 seconds.
Pretty routine stop. You can see why everybody learns the butterfly when they're a young kid. Takes away the bottom of the net.
Solid, clean win.
In the second period.
The Red Hawks continuing on along the boards. Good place to shoot from, and he does. Wonderful block. Shoots. Two periods have been played. They've worked pretty hard at it, and they get a well-deserved rest. Third period coming up shortly.
Fans, we'd like to draw your attention to the far part of the arena where we're welcoming all of our minor hockey kids here in attendance.
Lin Choping's late goal gives them a 1-goal lead as the teams head to the dressing rooms. We are entering the third period. Based on the first two, what are you expecting to happen?
Malmo's down after the first 40 minutes of play. Couple of positives. One, they're only down by a goal. Second, time of possession has been in their favor, but at some point they have to convert some of those chances.
And the puck taken over by Larson. Lin Choping's lugging it up the wing. And that's an offside. Neutral zone face-off one. Possession established here. The Red Hawks have control of the puck along the boards. One-timer. Puck grab. They've got it ready. Good centering pass to the slot. Snaps it on goal. Save. Puck controlled now by the defense. A good stick there, so no complete pass. The Red Hawks have gotten out of their own end. The Red Hawks looking to head man up the wing. Takes it behind his own cage. Team changing. Could this be icing? And it will be, based on the defense arriving first. A little over 5 minutes play. Only 1 goal hanging on the board so far. So it's 1-0. Sends to the point. Ripper! Terrific save.
You got to battle through a screenplay.
Enormous collision.
Oh, big hit, Doc. I can hear it right from where I'm standing. He looked like he wanted to go right through him.
Lets it go. Oh, a save there. Puck held near the point. Perfect centering pass. The Red Hawks in their own end setting things up. Nicely into the zone. Good, solid defensive play with the stick. Sticked away. They score! And they've tied the game up.
Back-to-back chances in the low slot, and he scored on a second one.
Enzo, he looks like he's in pretty good positioning here, but he's not able to get his glove low enough to snap this one up.
The Red Hawks have gotten this game back even. Third period heroics for them. Let's see what happens next. Face-off win, and now what will they do with it? That pass is cut. Gets across, looks over his options.
Time of the goal, 8 minutes, 19 seconds.
In the crease. Wonderful save with the glove. The Red Hawks are out of their own end. The Red Hawks have it up the wing. Nice job, straight stand-up poke check. Picks it up in his own end.
This game has been tightly contested the entire way. I can't see either team stretching this out at this point. A close finish is at hand.
He's got that point pass. Nice keep at the blue line to keep the attack going. Looking for a better lane. That is defense. Puck settled down by Roy. Possession held as he skates it up the wing. The Red Hawks carrying it along the boards. Nicely received at the point. Ranks one. Lin Choping's back in its own end, trying to work forward. A shot, just couldn't find the target.
When the puck sounds hard, when it hits the end boards, that means you've missed the net. Scoring chance is handed away.
The Red Hawks carrying on in the defensive zone. Oh, broke it up. And play is stopped on an icing.
Have no idea how he stopped that. Traffic all over the front of the net, but he keeps the game tied with a terrific stop.
A little under 3 minutes still to play in this period. A hockey game is one of lead changes, and this one has seen its lead vanish. Right to the point. Side to side they go, trying to generate something. The stick broke on the shot, off the goalpost. Not tested much, good pad save. Very important time to have a minor penalty call, and so special teams become important.
First off, if your stick is on the ice, you're not going to get a penalty, but you can't carry it around like a weapon.
The Red Hawks power play gets another chance to operate. Hasn't been effective yet. They win the draw. Let's see if it pays off. He throws it there. Able to attack now. It's tied late in the game. Who's going to be the hero here? Wonderful save.
Look at how active the goaltender is, looking around the screen to try to make the stop.
Cut down on that rush. And he steps across the line. Oh, what a break. That shot hit somebody. He's got it. Great kick pass. Just a backhand. The poke check worked. Lin Xiaoping's controlling play through center. Cursed by a broken stick.
That's what I call a wardrobe malfunction.
The Red Hawks leave their own end. Solid neutralized poke check. A brilliant save at the horn. 3 periods were played, and we come out flat even.
Saw this coming late in the game that we would end up tied.
Coming up next is overtime. This goal has forced it. We'll be right back. Period underway, and the power play is underway as well. Decides he wants the corner. And now it's directed to Roy. Lin Xiaoping's in their own end, setting things up. Gets in, and he'll look over his options. Missed the net!
That's as hard as a shot I've seen in a long time. That just missed the net.
Score! The overtime winner! And the players spill over the boards to celebrate. The game is over. When it gets to OT, it seems like the smallest thing can happen and then go wrong for a team. In this case tonight, it went right for one.
The little extra plays that make all the difference.
What a terrific game of hockey. Well played by now very tired players. A great time. We hope you enjoyed it. For Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro, Mike Emmerich saying good night all.
Top of the world, but we want more.